Today I'm coming at you with my nail haul, honey. But you gotta invest in yourself sometimes, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna focus mainly on the Amazon stuff, but I did go on other websites like eBay and AliExpress. You know about AliExpress. They're not coming till next year. Just kidding, honey. I bought almost 20 items. Okay, 20. I want to say 20 to 25 items. I hope you guys are excited for all the stuff I have today. Oh my god. Okay, so it's a lot of stuff in here. I'm seeing rings. I'm seeing, I don't know if you guys can see that. I see rings. There's like petals in here, little beads. But I mainly wanted the foils for this nail set. I wanted to try on myself. And on the back, we have like colored ones. I can't remember how much this was. I feel like this might have been $15. But with nail art, I recommend buying nail art on AliExpress instead of Amazon if you could wait, because Amazon is a little pricey with the nail art. We're gonna have a little list, but I was not playing. So here is my practice kit. I can't wait to use it. This was $35. This is not the realistic one, but you know, when I got money again, we're gonna invest in the realistic one. But this is like new practice kit because there's little nails in it. Yeah, it was $35. I don't know if that's affordable. Would y'all consider that affordable? I need to practice on something, but you can also practice on family members and whatnot, or friends and everything. We have these soakers. I accidentally bought 2 of these. I bought one on eBay and on Amazon. But yeah, don't do that. Here is the Mia's Secret monomer and acrylic powder polymer. Mia's Secret is very ranked high and it's like affordable. So prices are not as bad as for a monomer and acrylic compared to like other brands. It wasn't that bad. I think it was like $25. But if you want to start with a cheaper brand, I recommend Kiss, even though it's not like the greatest. But you know, if you want to like, you know, just mess around with stuff, Kiss is also a good brand. I bought chalk, so I'm gonna open it up for you guys to show you all the little chalk pieces. Hopefully none of them broke because I've been playing with this. But yes, here is all the chalk colors that come in this. Well, why I bought this chalk? Okay, so I bought this because I wanted to make my own acrylic powder. But then I was like, since I'm a beginner, that might be tough to do. I was like, at first I was like, okay, like, I'm gonna buy some chalk and do my own acrylic powder. But now I actually ended up buying some acrylic powder. I found they recommended this on TikTok. TikTok helps so much. If they didn't ban it by now, because I know they're planning on banning it, but I've learned a lot from TikTok, and that's all I'm gonna say, because I've learned a lot. I got these acrylic powders from Mia's Secret. It's very colorful, as you can see. It was a brick, you know what I'm saying? But I guess for my first time, like, I didn't want to make acrylic yet, because like that would take more time, and like, what if I do it wrong and stuff? And I heard like you gotta mash it up real good so it's not speckles in it. So I ended up buying this, but this is optional. I don't really like. If you can make it, or if you want to make it, you can make it. Sorry if I'm talking too much. I probably will edit all of this out. And I bought a sterilization kit. One thing I could say is when I go to the salon, I always get like a green. I have one on my pinky right now, honestly. But it's been like a couple weeks, so they said that after a while it should be fine. But yeah, so I bought a sterilizer for my tools. You know, we keep it clean. It's Corona season. You know, I'm only going to be using the tools of myself so far. I probably won't, you know, practice on certain people, whatever. But I just wanted to get a sterilizing tool because sometimes in nail salons they don't sterilize your tools. You might jump to the chair right after the next person. Honey, them things are not clean sometimes. Not all the time, but a lot of times. You think they clean those tools? Stay woke. Here is I have my buffers and my 180, 100 grit nail filers. So I just wanted to get some good quality ones. You know, you gotta get them at the beauty supply store. Honestly, if you broke, beauty supply store is where to go. So I have my nail tips. I have a stiletto nail tip and a, I want to say coffin or square nail tip. I don't know what. I thought I wanted square, but it kind of looking a little bit coffin-y to me. But you always could shape it to make it more square, so I guess. But yeah, so I have my square and my coffin nail tip. These had relatively good reviews on Amazon, so that's why I picked them up. But sometimes the nail tips can be cheap, so make sure you look at the reviews for nail tips, because you don't want no cheap nail tips like a bend on you and stuff like that. Like, you don't want that. This is my eBay stuff. It's a lot of things in here. I'm probably gonna save this to another video because I have a lot of things in here. I bought so much stuff on eBay that's like artsy, and you don't have to wait the AliExpress wait. I know that tool must be hurting me, okay? I bought crystals, so I couldn't find this crystal at first, but then I ended up finding them. I thought I didn't buy them, so I bought another one. But I have these crystals right here. I don't know if you guys can see it. I got it from Amazon. These crystals, and I also have these crystals. And this one is more of the bigger ones. Like I don't see no tiny ones in this one, but this one has the tiny ones and some bigger ones. So you might think your nails a little bit basic. Add a little drill to it, honey. Take it to the next level, baby. And yeah, so I have the white monomer from Your Secret, just like the clear and the monomer, not white monomer, white acrylic powder from Your Secret. I also have these 4 ones. I googled Vllo Secret powders, and I saw these on the Vllo website, and it was $30 for 4 different shades. So I was like, why not? So I got these. These are not from Amazon, but they were $30 for 4 different shades, and I was like, okay, that sounds like a good deal. They're only 1 ounce, so the big one. But I just wanted all these colors. It has the clear, the white, the pink. I want to say pink, and the multi-balance natural pink acrylic. You know what I'm saying? So that's lit. Then we have here, bro, this was a disappointment, high key. I thought these things would come on bigger, but they came like tiny. I was gonna make my chalk acrylic powder with these. But what am I doing this? It's not gonna make sense. Like, but I wouldn't recommend these because they're too small to, you know, do anything with, in my opinion. Also, I bought UV light nail glue and nail brushes, so I didn't want to use just regular nail glue. I wanted to use UV light one because when you cure this, honey, they do not come off your nails. This is smaller than I expected. I don't know what I expected. Honestly, look at the measurements. I actually bought these from Dollar Tree thinking they were going to be like a good dapping brush, but I ended up buying like the regular dapping brush right here. It came in a pack of 2 on Amazon. We have here, oh, my nail tips, they come with hooks. I just wanted to get it so I could swatch my colors when I make my colored acrylic. And yeah, that's the only reason I got them. I guess to swatch and stuff like that. It's not like I have them. Yeah, but this is not mandatory either. I just bought it. I have some cuticle oil. I actually did not get this from Amazon. I got this from the local beauty supply store. It was like $1 something. So invest in your local beauty supply store first. My UV light. This was, how much money was it? I can't even tell you. I think this was like $20 or $15. It's the Melanie Susie UV light. Yeah, I had good reviews on Amazon. It has the 15, 30, and 60 seconds. Oh my god, did I scratch it already? Oh my god, that's crazy. But yes, and it's big, so if you want to do your toes, okay, you can put your feet in here too. Nice and big, nice and spacious. Here is the brush I have. Your brushes, you want to invest in your brush because you want a good brush to, like, you know, shape your acrylic. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna be easier if you do that. So I recommend. This is a highly reviewed one on Amazon. And also, I see a lot of people with the Apple brushes, but I just bought everything on Amazon, so I just got this brush because it had good reviews, and it was like $20. That's the same amount of price as the Apple brush, so I just assume it's gonna be the same quality. If it's not, baby, we beefing. Just kidding, but you know. A false nail clipper. I didn't buy this at the beauty supply store because I wanted a good quality one, so my nails don't like cut crooked and stuff like that. You know, I'm used to press on nails, so I know like putting on nails and stuff like that. So I wanted a good quality one that's gonna be like boom, 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 boom. I don't gotta worry about my nail snapped or nothing, so that's why I got that one. Yeah, I'm ready to be done. Here is a blade, so if you want to do like the V-cut, honey, I love the V-cut so much, so I had to buy the blade. So yeah, if you want to do like a diagonal or a V-cut, this is gonna be like the easier version of it. You can always use your cuticle, whatever, but you know, I was in the sharp stuff, so that's why I bought it, because I love that V-cut. Here, I took out the box. This is the Melanie Susie. Yeah, this is the Melanie Susie nail, the drill. Here's the drill. Here's the nail bits it comes with, you know. Fines, of course, whatever. I still gotta learn these. Hopefully I throw away the instructions. And then, I don't know what this is. Oh, okay, period. This is the tweezer, nail clipper, scissors, all that. That's so cute. Literally. That's really cute, okay? And I just put I bought this box from Dollar Tree, if you're wondering. I don't know if you care. And then this is the, I think this is for the natural nail to stand off. Hopefully. And yeah, it comes with like the little plug and whatnot. Ceramic nail bits, because yeah, I bought these ceramic nail bits because somebody said that, I think it was on YouTube, or either on YouTube or on TikTok, but the ceramic ones are like easier for beginners. This is other stuff I bought off eBay, so don't forget to watch my eBay haul, because look at this. Supreme, Louis Vuitton, Chanel, and some other ones. I don't know what the other ones are, but these are nail foils. I need to buy the nail foils. I also got these Young Nails primer. Yeah, the primer for Young Nails. And this had good reviews, and you want to have a good primer so your nails don't dip. So invest in a good primer. And for this one, sis, this is the butterflies. So I got all these different colored butterflies. They are, yeah. I just wanted to do a butterfly look for my nails one of these days. Butterflies have been trending, whatever. So I was like, okay, butterfly nails, period. I keep seeing them, so that's a sign that I have to do them. So wish me luck on that, because. And these are other nail tools I got, but I didn't get these from Amazon. I actually got it from the beauty supply stores and whatever. Yeah, some good products in here. This is the brush that came from the Melanie Susie. So, and I also got some acrylic powder that's new, because I didn't get like a dip acrylic nude powder. So I wanted to do colors. So I got from the beauty supply store, like $3.99, honey. $3.99, baby. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the haul. I hope you guys enjoy. Hopefully this is recorded well, because I tried recording it before, but I was so tired from it, and my lashes were looking like this, so my lashes don't look too crazy in this video. Well, I don't know how much money I spent. Just know my parents got September rent, but yeah, I'm investing in myself, so I'm not doing anything bad, right? I was about to spend $70 at the nail salon anyway, so I might as well do it myself. Guys, oh my god, I almost forgot my nail polish. So I got these nail polishes from eBay, Amazon. What am I saying? Yeah, I got these from Amazon. They are nicely priced. I think this was $30. But yes, I got 2 packs of these. I got the ones in the summer, and I got the ones in a regular, I don't know what it's called, but it had white and black in it, and that's the colors I wanted. So, and nudes. So I got this one and the second one. That's somewhere. Some gel polish, you know, I could cure it underneath the UV light. Essential things. But yes, I hope you guys love the video. Appreciate you guys liking, commenting, and subscribing. Thank you guys so much. It's 2020, like anything can happen. So why not? Why? Period. And check out my next video, because I will be doing my first acrylic nails ever. Bye.